Alright, so today I've got a couple projects. One is this Gorilla Glue, my sandmarc lens. The lens I'm using right now fell out when I was snowboarding. Thank goodness it was in my pocket, or that lens would have been rolling down the street, rolling down the side of the hill. And while I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna put this in here. Put the rest of these in here, a little stash kit, so I remember where I put them, or so I don't lose them. Alright, fuses are in there too. Oh, and my heat shrink is in there. I need to use that for another project today. I'm putting this 12-volt secondary in. Anyways, here's the cap. It's got this little tiny punch knob on it, and here's this. You just use that to punch it. You know, while I've got it out, let me just go ahead and pull this sucker out. See if I can put it on the outside of that rib. Oh no.
Hey, I'm on my boat in the Bahamas.
Cool. Say hello. Hey, let me call you back. I'm trying to fix this. Alright, so how do I want to set this back in there? Fuck. I have gloves, but I don't want this glue to glue the lens in. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. What I'm doing is make sure this ring is going in the right way. I don't think it matters which way I put it in there. Alright, so that's in there. I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute and I'll come back. I'm gonna have to clean it up, I think, so I'm gonna use this little razor blade to trim it out. Alright, peace. My project for today will be this 12-volt receptacle. I picked this. You can pick up the dual barrel one like this from Walmart for, I believe it was $6. And what I ended up doing was putting some of the mounting tape, the Gorilla mounting tape, between here and you know, between the surface contacts. And then I just took the screws that came with it and screwed to the center of the center console here. I don't believe that Gorilla, or it was cold last night, so even if I did just try to stick it to the side of this, I don't believe it would have held. So actually no, I know that it wouldn't hold because it was falling off. So if it was a smooth surface like this and not like this, I'm sure it would have stuck. But anyways, I need to remove these two ends right here. And how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to clip them, then strip the wire back, and then connect it to the pre-existing wire that was there. I had already disconnected the, what do you call it? I've already removed the connector for it. So let's go ahead and get this done. You can see that. So down here, up top. Okay, good. I'm using these Klein wire stripper cutter, multi-purpose, made in the USA. Got them from Home Depot. I believe it was $11. But that's not important for the operation of this thing here, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut this off right at the connector. I try to leave myself as much wire as possible, and strip it down. Like so. Here, and do the same thing with these wires. Like that. I believe this is ground and this is hot. Let's keep these separate because these are live wires currently. Oh, I already had my strippers in here right there, so I can take those other ones back. And no, they didn't have a detent on it. They're the same. I had to put a hair tie on the back side of it. Alright. This is my portable multimeter that I have with me. I actually, after using this, I do like it, but I do like the 2-wire on it. The 2-wire one. You know, where this isn't the probe itself. I just got it because I thought it'd be easier to just do like this, hold 2. But it's not. It's easier if you set your thing somewhere and then have the actual probe. So let's see here. Off, on, DC. You'll see what I mean when I do it like this. not trying to do open loop. Just trying to test voltages here. Millivolts. Oh, millivolts. Volt DC. Why does it give me an open loop? I don't want an open loop. Hot. Oh, that's AC. Okay, DC. Negative 12.65, so that means that the leads are swapped. So the black is the ground. So now we're getting 12.65. If you can see that. Alright, we just wanted to make sure that one was hot and one was not. This is how I connect wires, if you're ever curious. I just split them like this, and then bind them together like that. Spin that wire up. Like so. And it'll hold tight. And then I just push them one way or the other, and then just wrap some tape, electrical tape around it. Like so. Now let's check. Make sure it actually works. Put our DC plug in. Do we have power? Yes, we do. And the ignition's off, so that's what we were aiming for. You can see here, there are lights on. The lights are on. Check, make sure both ports are working. Yep, perfect. So now we can run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugs if we need to. Alright, so I've got some electrical tape here. And then I just go ahead and wrap these leads up like this. You don't want them to connect or touch. You don't want them to ground out. So you definitely want these things wrapped up. Like so. You can put heat shrink over that if you want. Like that. Perfect. Perfect. Looks good. Just gonna have this little tail hanging down here, I guess. So we'll have to deal with that. Alright, that should be good, like that. Perfect. We'll just leave it. Peace.